If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Revolut account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your financial settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once in the app, find and tap on the Payments tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your payment options and transaction history. Step 3. Access subscriptions. In the Payments section, look for the Subscriptions option. This will display a list of all your active subscriptions and recurring payments linked to your account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Scroll through your list of subscriptions and select the one you wish to stop. This will open the details of that subscription, allowing you to see more information. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Revolut account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.